Imagine you have a straightforward legal issue, perhaps a small debt or a disagreement over property, and you have decided to take action in small claims court. You have filled out all the necessary paperwork, outlining your case and what you are seeking. But now you face a crucial step that many people find a bit confusing. How do you officially let the other party know they are being sued? In small claims court, the responsibility for serving court papers, also known as process service, typically falls to the plaintiff, who is the person filing the lawsuit. However, the plaintiff themselves cannot personally hand the papers to the defendant. Instead, a neutral third party must perform this essential duty. This rule exists for a very important reason: due process. The legal system requires that every defendant receives proper notice of a lawsuit against them, allowing them a fair opportunity to respond and defend themselves. If the plaintiff, who has a personal interest in the outcome, were allowed to serve the papers, it could lead to disputes about whether the defendant actually received them. An impartial third party ensures the integrity of this notification process and helps prevent claims of improper service later on, which could derail your entire case. Proper service is the legal bedrock for the court to have jurisdiction over the defendant. So, who can be this impartial third party? Most commonly, you can ask a sheriff or marshal to serve the papers, and this is a reliable and often recommended option, though it usually involves a fee. You can also hire a professional process server, who is a private individual or company specializing in delivering legal documents. Additionally, in many jurisdictions, any adult who is 18 years or older and is not a party to the case, and is not directly involved in the lawsuit, can serve the papers for you. This means a friend, family member, or coworker can serve as long as they meet these criteria and understand the rules for proper delivery. When selecting a server, ensure they understand the method of service required in your jurisdiction, which might include personal delivery, substituted service, or even service by mail. Personal delivery, where papers are handed directly to the defendant, is often preferred because it offers the strongest proof of notice. It is also wise to understand the concept of a proof of service form. After delivering the documents, the server must complete and sign this form, detailing exactly when, where, and to whom the papers were delivered. This document is then filed with the court and serves as official evidence that service was completed correctly. Ultimately, ensuring proper service of small claims court papers is not just a formality. It is a fundamental step that empowers your case to move forward smoothly. By delegating this task to a qualified and neutral third party, you uphold the principles of fairness and due process, laying a solid foundation for your legal matter and increasing the likelihood of a timely and just resolution.